Hi, I'm Mark Castleman, co-founder of Candeo. If you're struggling under the heavy burden of pornography use, you're not alone. In the US, there are more than 50 million people who have that same struggle. Before my own recovery, my battle with pornography consumed more than 25 years of my life. Now, for more than a decade, I've dedicated my life to helping others break free. There are a few things that I know. First, you're not a freak, you're not a loser, and you're not a lost cause. Pornography triggers the release of powerful neurochemicals in the brain, very similar to the process experienced with cocaine and other street drugs. There's a logical, scientific explanation behind your struggles, and there is a sure way out. Many people, including myself, have used a simple formula to break free from pornography. If we can do it, you can do it. Welcome to Candeo, and welcome to your first steps to freedom.